Imagine you're working with a bunch of large Excel files that you want to process in R, but dealing with unstructured files makes it quite a problem. Opening each Excel file to copy-paste data into R is also a hassle due to the time it takes. So, here's where the solution comes in handy. When faced with the problem of extracting the full path and file name of a file copied to the clipboard in R, you can use the code snippet provided. By using read clipboard, format equals 15L, raw equals true, along with a few data manipulation functions, you can transform the raw output into a readable string containing the complete file path. It's a neat trick to streamline your workflow without the unnecessary manual effort. To wrap it up, we've covered a nifty solution to efficiently retrieve the full path and file name of a file copied to the clipboard in R. By leveraging the read clipboard function along with some data cleaning mechanisms, you can effortlessly incorporate external files into your workflow. So go ahead, give it a try and simplify your data processing tasks. Remember, in the world of data manipulation, every little hack counts. Stay curious, keep coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite coding joke. Happy coding!